Hello and welcome to Quix Pro tutorial, and in this video I will show you the Slider Pro element. Using this element you can present your content using very cool and versatile sliders. As you can see, there are many different slider effects and all are made by the Slider Pro element. Now scroll up and click on the plus icon. Once there, click on Slider Pro. You can see two items are default. Let's start with the first item. Edit title and content. Scroll down, click here to select an image from the library. Edit button text to read more, learn more, etc. Set the link from here and also the target. Scroll down and edit the second item. It's the same process as the first one. Click on this plus icon to add a new item, this to copy an item and this to delete an item. Click on the alignment panel and set the horizontal position. Also set the vertical position. Click on the display panel and you can choose to show the title, content and button. Click on the overlay and animation panel and choose your overlay color. And also select your animation from here. Now click on the height panel and set height to custom. You can increase or decrease height from here. Or you can also choose your height to fit to screen. Click on the navigation panel and from the slide nav, select the position of your arrow navigation. And now tweak with the dot navigation. If you select thumb inside, you will have to select the background for the thumbs. To set a background for the first item, scroll up and click on item 1. Now scroll down and click on thumb image and select an image from the library. Now do the same for slider item 2. Scroll down and click here to tweak with thumb position. And you can alter thumb width from here and thumb height from here. Select the margin for the thumb from here. Click on behavior and enable or disable pause on hover and also autoplay. Set the autoplay speed from here. Enable or disable infinite loop from here. Click on the Styles tab and adjust padding. Click on the title panel and select title text color from here. Set your font and font weight and adjust size from here. You can tweak with text transform, style and decoration. You can change the line height and letter spacing if you want. You can add a text shadow from here, adjust the margin if you need to. Now let's play with the description panel. Set text color from the color picker and set font and font weight. Again, you can manage text transform, style and decoration. Line height and letter spacing adjuster are here. As always, this is for the text shadow. And again, you may need to set your margin and set it from here. And now let's style the button and set the button text color from here. Set the hover color from here, the background color from here, and the hover background color from here. Set the font weight and resize it according to your will. You can tweak with text transform, style and decoration, adjust line height and letter spacing. And set text shadow from here. Adjust the padding and also the margin. You can select different border types from here and adjust border radius from here. And the box shadow option is here. You can obviously set the hover style and all options are same here. At the last, let's set the navigation style. You can change the arrow color and also the arrow size. Similarly, you can change the dot color and dot styles. Click on General tab and select Navigation. Choose dot inside from Navigation. Now go back to the Styles tab and click on the navigation panel. Scroll down to select dot color, dot active color and alter dot width. Alter dot spacing and also dot margin. Click apply if you're happy with the changes. That's it for Slider Pro element. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.
Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.